A 6-step process to getting your journal article published. Number 1, start by defining your article's focus. Remember, journal articles are short. You can't include everything, so it really needs to have a very clear focus. Number 2, find the correct journal. Go off Google journals in your discipline, have a look at them, see which one best embodies the kind of work that you want to publish and that speaks to the audience you're trying to reach. Number 3, go to that journal article's website, do a thorough investigation. Look at instructions to authors, look at the journal article's scope, look at their objectives, go and look at past papers as well to see what sort of emphasis they're looking for in their papers. Once you've done that, you can use your results of your investigation to create a solid outline for your paper. You'll know how they like to structure their papers, what headings and subheadings you can use for yours. And once you've got that, well, then it is time to populate your outline with the content and do your writing, making sure that you're covering all the bases of the papers that you saw were published previously. Finally, survive the review and revision. Remember that having your work critiqued, using that feedback to improve it is all a part of the academic journey. So there we go, 6-step process to getting your journal work published.